Everyone, my name is Divyanshu Srivastava and today I'm here with a recipe of custard which we can enjoy in this scorching summers. So let us have a look at the ingredients which we are going to use in making of this custard. So here we go. Ingredients, we have this saffron threads, this vanilla powder and this sugar, milk of course. Then in fruits we have a pair of banana, an apple, mango, pomegranate and a kiwi. Lovely. So now comes the important part of our recipe. So we are gonna take firstly 2 spoons of vanilla powder. So 1 spoon, 2 spoon. If we want to make it more thick, so we can even add half more spoons to it. It won't make a problem. You can do as per your taste and your needs. Now additionally we're gonna take 4 spoons of milk, so 2.5 spoons of vanilla powder and adding 4 more spoons of milk. And one thing to note, this milk is not warm at all, it's cool milk. You need to either keep it at room temperature or you can even include the fridge milk. It's not a problem because we are ultimately gonna heat it only. So now we're gonna mix it and there shouldn't be any lumps. Let us add saffron threads to our milk to get it a flavor. Smells really nice. So to our next part, what we have to do is we are firstly gonna heat this milk and very slightly we are gonna add this mixture, the thing which we had prepared in the very beginning. So and remember the milk is presently in a cool state, so in as soon as it turns lukewarm we are going to add this spoon by spoon and mix it very stirrily so that no lumps are formed. So now we are going to add 3 spoons approx sugar. Now let's again heat it. I had previously even heated it for 2 minutes approx, so you would get a brief idea when you would do it. You would automatically feel like we should stop heating it or we should continue heating it, so it does not matter much. And remember this thing that we need to mix it continuously, otherwise it would means get some burn kind of stuff in the beneath part, in the lowermost part. So be careful about it. We need to mix it again, means continuously. And the last point, when we would come to know that it has been made fully, is that you would see a kind of a boil coming in it. So at that point we should just stop heating it any further and just step it down from the burner. see, we can see a boil in it. See, here we have a boil. So finally we have reached our last part, and now at the end we just need to add all these fruits which we were just aware of in the beginning. So I'm just adding it. And remember, you this also depends upon you, that you can see that if it is getting more of fruits in the custard, then you can just means put it slowly. You should not just put the entire ingredient at once. You should just see that is it all fine, or it's getting more or less of fruits and all. And in the beginning I had mangoes, but I just thought of to not include it. Mainly the main thing which plays a good part in custard is that it should be a mixture of soft fruits and as well as some hard, like pomegranate. We can even garnish it with dry fruits and all over it. And now at the end we just need, it's all complete, we just need to keep it in the refrigerator and serve it, and we can enjoy this delicious dessert. And just one funny thing, actually it's 2 a.m. in the night, and it sounds too crazy, just crazy to have it. Thank you.